Hello everyone, this is Nidhi from Crafty Pandora, and today I'll be showing you how I made this cake topper with my Cricut machine. This is the design and you can find it in my Design Space profile. I've added the link in the description below. Now just hit the make button. Firstly, I'm cutting this design on blue glitter cardstock. As you can see, the design has been cut perfectly. For the crown, I have taken golden glitter cardstock. The machine has cut this small design perfectly. For this mat, I have rearranged the elements as per my paper. Selecting the material as medium cardstock with more pressure. For the outline of the banner, I have taken golden metallic cardstock. This is a simple design with less layers. So now that the layers are cut, it's time to assemble them. To add more depth to the topper, I have used double-sided tape to give the 3D effect. For the banner, I have used glue to attach the outline to the base. Again, some double-sided tape to attach the banner to the topper. Similarly, attaching the crown to the topper with some tape. The assembling part is now complete, and this is where you have to put the name of the kid. The last step is to attach a stick to the topper with some glue. This is the final look of the topper. I hope you liked the video. For more such topper ideas, do subscribe to my channel.